Hello, my name is Daniel Phibbs, and I am the Commercial Director of ScreenArmor. And in this video, I'm going to show, without shortcuts, just how fast you can select, cut, and install ScreenArmor's ballistic glass screen protectors. Let's go. To make this a real-world demo, we've set the timer on the phone and we'll be choosing the design the long way, brand first, model second. No pre-saved cuts here. However, a cut history is always available, making the process even faster in your store. Today's cut uses Ballistic Glass Clear 7H, tougher than tempered glass, equal in hardness, and cuttable to fit virtually any screen. With ScreenArmor machines, you never adjust a blade manually. A quick scan of the QR code tells the system exactly what depth, torque, and speed this material needs. This ballistic glass is made from 100% recycled fibers, the same family of materials used in modern lightweight ballistic vests. We carry true 7H and 9H hardness options, along with flexible formulations for curved screens to fit watches, smartphones, and up to 16.9-inch laptops. Once scanned, the machine sets itself up and begins the cut. While that happens, the customer's device can be prepped. Just remember to remove their old screen protector. This alone saves more time than most shops realize. For particular grubby screens, we always recommend using a tissue to remove as much dirt and grime before using the clean anti-static microfiber cloth. It makes it last longer. Every ScreenArmor blank uses a unique 4-layer construction with built-in dust sticker and anti-static glue that slashes warranty claims, miscuts, and dust contamination to almost zero. Our applicator's hooks position the protector with perfect alignment. Because of the adhesive layer's structure, almost no manipulation is needed. Bubble-free installation becomes the norm, not the exception. And note what's missing. No piles of SKUs, no sticky tabs, no extra dust removal kits, and barely any cleaning spray. Stock management drops to a single SKU that can produce over 36,000 precise designs, all completed in under 2.5 minutes. The result? A crystal clear protector, tougher than tempered glass, perfectly aligned, and cut on demand. ScreenArmor, sustainable, profitable, and the future of screen protection.